Hello guys, it is Pixel here. Today I found out something very useful. I found out a program called Bukkit GUI. It allows you to host a server in an easier way. It basically adds like a another console for your server. It's really useful. I just really want to show this tool to you guys. I hope you enjoy. I'm really tired right now, so that might explain my voice. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Basically what this is, you launch it. It's made by Birdware. Um, it is a very useful tool. As you see, it looks like this. You have General, Players, Superstart, Error Logging, Task Manager, Plugins, Server Options, Backup, and Options and Info. It's pretty useful over here. And yes, the General is where you start your server, but first you need to set up your server. So go to Superstart. Select your Java version. Mine is Java 7, 64-bit, and I'm going to allocate 2 gigs of RAM to my server. And you also need to specify the jar file, which is found by clicking these 3 dots, and go into your folder and selecting your .jar, and click Launch Server. As you see, this looks much nicer than the usual console. You can also change the colors, the fonts, everything. It's amazing. It also looks good if players are on it. You can basically opt them. As you see here, opt, de-opt, kick, ban, game mode. It's like it's so it's so useful. You have many uses for it. I mean, you can host multiple servers. This should be this should be very useful if you host like 3 servers at once, which is rare, but still it's useful. And even if you want to find what players have been doing easily by just scrolling up and down. Okay, so this is error logging. These are your errors over here. Task manager. You can add like tasks, like add a task. Let's add a save and a trigger. Should be you have all sorts of trigger, like the server starts, the server starting, server stopping, time, and stuff like that. And I'm going to do a player join. I really don't know what parameters are. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm a noob to this myself. Basically, I shall do this to execute. I don't really know. Command. Let's do the command. Yeah. Save all. There we go. Save, and hopefully when a guy joins, it will save. I will show you guys in the end of the video. Here are the plugins. This is also very useful. If you don't want to go to the Bukkit website, you can also search it there. It's a little bit laggy, but that's because it's searching all the plugins. Here are the installed plugins. Well, I have none because this is a new server. And backup, you can back up by clicking execute, I think. No? Import. Basically, you can import here your saves, and export is like save it, something. Options and the info. Here is the updater. Here you can select your languages. You can install them. Here you can edit your tab pages. You can also run in light mode. Check for updates on startup, run when GUI starts, and run when Windows starts. Here also is some of your computer info. Here's the text output. It shows date, time, and date. That's pretty self-explanatory. Here you can edit the color. Let's do. Oop! What happened? Let's do this to green. It looks nicer like that way. And let's select Arial Black. Okay. Look, this looks much nicer now, doesn't it? I also like to keep this, because if I'm like watching a video waiting for a person to join my server, I just basically watch a video and it just like beep, and that means the server has a new player. Yeah, and let's show you guys the test manager if it works. Let's try it. Hello guys, I am back. This is like 4 minutes after I temporarily stop the video. Here you go. As soon as I join, it's saved. The console did this. No commands, as you see. So this is pretty useful. It tells, as you can see, I changed the color of it so it can be seen more easier. And yes, here you see the player. You also see my head, which is pretty useful. And yes, here I can kick myself. Yes, kicked by an operator. Uh, yes, this is how Basic looks. I hope you get this tool. It helps me a lot. I'll put a download link in the description. Of course, this is made by Birdware. The video is made by me, Pixel. So goodbye. I hope you enjoy.